Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can split your clips on CapCut PC. So you're just going to drag your video and you're going to place it on your timeline, and to split clips you don't really have to click on it. You can just select the split here, so it will split it into two separate clips. If you want to separate it and delete it, select this one and it will delete the clip on the left. But if you chose the other one, it's going to delete the clip on the right side. You can also select the B on your keyboard. That's going to be my shortcut here. And it's going to bring out this icon here. You can switch to the select mode, which is A, to go back to the select mode, or you can go back to split to, splice your clips into other clips, into separate clips. That's what I meant. But yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!